All right, we went offshore to target amberjack today, and we were using simple knocker rig, 60-pound fluorocarbon leader, 2-ounce egg sinker down to a 6-aught Gamakatsu circle, and they preferred the pinfish today. Only about 10 more minutes to do. Well, we were casting out a vertical jig, just kind of as a locator, and we had a big school of amberjack followed up, and so now we're just tossing out some chummers and working the jig to hold the school next to the boat while one guy will work the jig and the other guy's sight casting them, and we're just sticking them right off the stern. I'm chasing that jig in.
Yep, I got smacked on that jig once and it threw it way out there. It just never. Popped right out.
Broken tip?
Broke it, yeah, broke the tip.
Once we got them fired up, we started throwing out some chummers, and you couldn't keep more than 2 rods down because you needed one person to land fish while the other 2 were fighting them. It went crazy for about 4 hours straight. Every time bait hit the water, it had a fish on until the Goliath showed up.